A lot of you are complaining about not getting enough jobs on Fiverr, no customers coming in, you're getting scammed. You have all these reasons and all these excuses of why you're not making money. Sometimes you just have to go outside your comfort zone and figure out what needs to get done. So back when I first started, I wasn't getting jobs, or any of the jobs that I was getting were terrible. I was getting like $75 jobs for like a huge project, $75, $100, but it would take me all week, or maybe it would take me a couple weeks to do. And that's not profitable. That's not something that you want to do. And it wasn't until I realized that I had to change something, like something in me. I was like, it was just that voice inside my head saying like, hey, something's got to change. So, what did I do? I started looking around at what other people were doing, the successful people on Fiverr, and I was like, what are they doing that I'm not doing? And as you start to look, you'll start to see clues. And I saw clues. I saw the clues of what I needed to do, so I started to change up my gigs. And I also started to add more gigs. Now, I can tell you this, one of the changes that I made definitely blew up my business. It blew up my business, and it is one of my best performing gigs on Fiverr, and it has been for well over a year now. Now, the other part of this, something that is, I would say is even bigger and bringing me even more money, is starting gigs that you don't even know what to do. And I know that sounds crazy, but you have to learn how to sell. You have to learn how to sell these gigs. Even if you don't know how to do it, figure it out later. Okay, so if you look and you research some of the best top salespeople, the most successful people, they'll tell you this. They'll tell you to sell the job first and then figure the rest out later. Figure it out as you go. Now, you might think that, like, God, that's crazy, but think about this. You're in the position that you're in because of the way that you think right now, and the way that you run your business or run your freelancing business. Now, the people that are super successful are in the position they're in because of what they've done to get there. And if they're saying sell it first and then figure it out later, do you think you should take their advice? I mean, where do you think your life's going to be if you keep following your advice, as to if you actually take their advice and follow the successful people's advice? Do you think you'll end up like them? I mean, seriously, think about it. And I can attest. I follow that advice. I put up gigs on my profile that I really didn't have a whole lot of experience with. I mean, I had minimum. And maybe you need to educate yourself. Maybe I would, like, if you were to come to me and we were going to do consulting, and I was going to tell you how you could advance your career as a freelancer, how you could advance it as a freelancer, and how you could grow, I would say find the most popular sought after gigs, the most popular sought after services, create gigs around those services, make sure they're optimal, optimize that gig profile, make sure you have a good photo, make sure you have a video, make sure you have good copy in the description. And I put this in my other videos. You need to look at other people that are successful in that niche and, copy their format, copy what they've written. And I don't mean just word for word, but like take it, put it into your description, like copy it, put it in your description, and then reword it so it matches you, put your own spin on it. It's really not that hard. And actually, I'll put a link to the most popular sought after services on Fiverr. Fiverr just put this out, and I'll show it to you. I'll put another video. It'll be right here. So that's what I would do. I would definitely do that. Make a gig that you don't know what to do, and then to top it off, I would do that first, and then what I would do is learn how to do it. And you're like, well, how am I going to learn how to do it? Well, there's training in something called Fiverr Learn, and I've put this in my other videos as well. But Fiverr Learn it's a learning platform, e-learning platform that Fiverr has, and you can go in there and you can take a course, and then after you finish the course, they're going to give you a badge, and you can put this badge on your profile. You put it right on your profile, and then so people will see. They're like, okay, let's say you wanted to do Facebook ads, and then you took a course on how to run Facebook ads. So then when someone comes to search for you about Facebook ads, they're like, oh, do you have experience? And like, okay, well, you did, you have the badge, you took the course, and there you go. Like, so you have some credibility there. And I know you don't have any social proof yet. So now the next step, what you're going to do is, number one, get the badge. All right, Fiverr Learn. I'll put the link in the description so you can sign up for Fiverr Learn. And then number two is now you need a little bit of social proof. So you take that social proof, to get that social proof, you're going to go and this is the exact steps. All right. I'm making this a quick video, so I'm not going to go through and give you a screen recording, but I'll put the links in the description. So what you want to do, and I'm going to tell you how you can actually make money doing this, is you're going to sign up for a Fiverr affiliate account, right? Link in the description. You sign up for your Fiverr affiliate account, and actually there's, I made another video on this, and I'll put this here. I'll link this. Fiverr affiliate, you sign up for a Fiverr affiliate account. After you have your Fiverr affiliate account set up, you're going to go and you're going to get your affiliate code, and your affiliate code is what you're going to give to your friends or family. You're just going to ask them, you're going to price your gig at $5. You're going to ask them to buy the gig. You're going to tell them you're going to pay them back. They're going to purchase that gig for $5 because you're going to price it at $5. They're going to buy it at $5. You're going to give them the $5 back. You're like, oh, what? I don't have $5. Don't worry, you're going to make money on this. So, and then with that Fiverr affiliate link that you give to them, they're going to click the link. They're going to set up an account and they're going to order on Fiverr. Now, here's the thing. In order for you to get paid from the Fiverr affiliate link that you give to them, not their $5, but Fiverr will pay you a commission for people that you bring in as first-time buyers. So what you want to do is you're going to give them the link, they're going to click on it, and they're going to sign up. They have to be a first-time buyer. This is the caveat. They have to be a first-time buyer. If they already have an account on Fiverr as a buyer, it's not going to work. It doesn't work that way. It only works when you sign up somebody for the first time. So you got to make sure that they're not signed up. They don't have a Fiverr account, right? They do not have a Fiverr account. You give them your affiliate link. They're going to come over. They're going to sign up for an account. And what that link is going to be specified to your gig. So they're going to sign up and then they'll be right on your gig. They can order your gig for $5, right? They're going to pay you $5, but Fiverr is going to pay you about $15 to $25, and I don't even know what it is for the Facebook ads. Depending on the gig, it varies, right? So it's a scale and it varies. So you really have to, you have to know that to know your numbers. And like I said, I put this all in my other video. So just check out the other video on Fiverr on how to set up a Fiverr affiliate account. So they're going to sign up, they're going to click, and you want to get like at least 5 people. And I forget what it is to become a seller, level 1 seller, but if you can get to level 1, it might be 10 people. If you can get to level 1 by doing this, having friends and family sign up for $5, and you get paid $15, $20, $25 for each person, you're making $20 on each friend that you get to help you out with this. And all they're going to do is they're going to sign up, give you the $5, you're going to give them the $5 back, and then you're going to ask them for a review, right? So if they're your friends, they're your family, they can give you the review. This is how it works, right? This is how you're going to do it. This is how you get started, right? In a sea of all these other freelancers that are on there, like this is the best way to get started. I didn't do this when I started, but I wish I did, because it would have given me such a fast start, right? It would have catapulted my progress. And so I'm just giving you this advice. If you're complaining that you don't have any gigs, you're not getting any sales, you really got to increase the number of gigs that you have on your profile, get people to sign up and increase your amount of orders and give you reviews, right? If you can do that, you will have a successful business going in a matter of months. In 2 to 3 months, you can get a very successful business going. And like I said, yeah, you don't know what to do, but you're going to learn as you go. Okay, you're going to learn as you go. And this is the best way. This is the only way you can grow. If you just stay where you're at and only sell the jobs of what you know, then you're always going to stay in the position that you're at. You're never going to progress. And this is something that you have to do in order to grow. I hope that makes sense to you. Let me know, like, do you have any questions on that? I'm sure you do. Just let me know what your questions are. I'll guide you through this. Put it down, your questions in the comments, and all the links will be in the description. So check that out. And then I'll see you on the next one. So peace.